Beautiful. A lot of new leaf grows. It looks very beautiful. Very long new branch. The root system very beautiful. It is just fantastic. Beautiful roots. Wow. Another big white root coming out from the drainage hole. Beautiful, beautiful roots. A lot of roots. Wow, all the way to the bottom of this cup. Hi guys, today is March 14th, 2021. It has been over 6 weeks after I set up fig tree propagation from cuttings. Let's check out. As you can see here, I have 3 containers on the table. The bigger container on the left side is the container I once showed you in the beginning of this video. The 2 other containers on the right side, I set up exactly the same experiment using extra fig cuttings. As you can see here, all these 3 containers covered with a plastic bag. At the corner of each plastic bag, I cut and make some fresh air in. So you can see some moisture inside. It's kind of generate humidity chamber. And right now you can see a lot of new green leaves. So today I'm going to check one by one fig stem cuttings, and hopefully we can make some conclusion. So I removed the plastic bag. It look like this. Beautiful. A lot of new leaf grows. Hi guys, check out right here. On the left side, 2 fig cuttings are from fig tree number 2. On the right side, 2 fig cuttings are from fig tree number 5. Compared with number 2 fig tree cuttings, number 5 fig tree cuttings grows better and faster. It has more green leaves and also kind of has more roots. From left to right, the fig cutting in number 2 cup, the fig cutting in number 4 cup, I made some scratch. I remove some barks and cambiums. If we compare 2 fig cuttings on the left side, the fig cutting in cup 2 is better. If we compare 2 fig cuttings on the right side, the fig cutting in cup 4 is better than the fig cutting in cup 3. Just based on this experiment, kind of, if you make some scratch at the bottom of fig cuttings, kind of can promote, grow more roots and grow more new leaves. So let's go ahead and check out each fig cutting one by one. So let's get started from fig tree number 2 cuttings. For the fig cutting on the left side, even though you cannot see dramatic leaf growth, but you still can see some tiny green leaf buds coming out. Several green leaf buds coming out. They are still very small, very tiny, kind of grow very slow. So let's check out the cup. Actually, I cannot see any root development from this cup. So it is correlated with the leaf growth. So let's check out this cutting. Looks beautiful. You can find 3 new branches coming out from this cutting. Beautiful. All these leaves are very healthy, very green. So let's check out the root. You can see here some root coming out, and I cannot see on this side. Then let's check out fig cuttings from fig tree number 5. So let's check out this fig cutting. As you can see here, there's a long new branch Unfortunately, you can find some leaves are not very healthy because you know why? Inside the plastic bag, there's some water. All these leaves touch the water. There's some mold growing on these leaves. I already cut off some part of these leaves, but they are still not very healthy. And check out the tip of this new leaf. So interestingly, as you can see here, there's a long root coming out from the leaf load. And right here at the bottom of this cutting, you can still see some dried root. And right here, check out the root growing up above the soil. As you know, the fig tree has a very shallow root system. Most of the roots, you can see here, they're growing on the top of this cup. So sometimes I have to push down all these roots and covered with soil. So let's check out this fig cutting. It looks very beautiful. Very long new branch. One is at the top, one is at the bottom. They're pretty healthy. And check out right here. You can find some new white root coming out above soil. And check out right here. The root system, very beautiful. It is just fantastic. Very beautiful. Actually, interesting here, you see a long white root coming out from the hole, the drainage hole. It's beautiful root system. Very successful for this one. Guys, I put all other extra fig cuttings right here. On the left side, there's 2 fig cuttings in 1 cup. Kind of, they are still grow very slowly. Actually, they are from fig tree number 2. On the right side, 3 cups, you can find the 3 fig cuttings. They are all from fig tree number 5. For those 2 fig cuttings, on the right side 2 cups, I made some scratch, removed the barks and cambiums. But 1 fig cutting in the left cup, I didn't make any scratch. Kind of, they are pretty similar based on leaf growth and root development. For these 2 fig cuttings, all the leaves are pretty small. 1 fig cutting, I can only see very tiny leaf buds. So actually, I cannot see dramatic root growth in this cup. Only here you can see some roots coming out right here. So let's quickly check out the root development. You can see here, beautiful roots. Fantastic. You can see here, so 1 big white root is growing on the top of the soil. And check out this one. Wow, another big white root coming out from the drainage hole. It's beautiful, beautiful roots. Everywhere. Beautiful. Oh. So let's check out this one. See, a lot of roots. Wow, all the way to the bottom of this cup. And also some roots coming out from the top of the soil. Here, very shallow. It's beautiful. Hi guys, check out right here. I put all fig cuttings right here. On the left side, 2 cup. There's 3 fig cuttings inside. So I cannot find dramatic root development. So I'm going to put it back, continue grow in the bigger container. All other figure cuttings on the right side. So I'm going to transplant into the container and put it in the shade, maybe in a pouch. I'm going to wait 1 or 2 weeks. If everything goes very well, I'm going to put outside to receive direct sunlight. So to reduce the length of this video, I'm going to put all the tips and summaries on the screen. You can check out. If you like this video, please give a like, leave comments down below, and subscribe to our channel to receive any new update. So later I'm going to update you guys with all this progress. Thanks for watching. See you next time in my new video.